A large extended family home that benefits from easy access to the motorway network and a range of shops, coupled with the peacefulness of being at the end of a cul-de-sac. When we first moved in, the potential to extend, combined with the not overlooked position, were the main reasons for us buying the plot, and the position of the property lent itself ideally to what we wanted to do, say the vendors. The accommodation in brief comprises entrance hall, through lounge dining room, study, kitchen, utility, indoor swimming pool room, gym, ground floor shower room, and to the first floor, a split level landing, 5 bedrooms and a family shower room. The swimming pool is our favourite aspect of the house. It's always warm and light in there, and nothing can beat having a swim in the morning to set you up for the day, or in the evening to de-stress after a hard day at work. We also love sitting in there because it's so peaceful. We will miss the village feel here. It's really quiet being tucked away at the end of the cul-de-sac, but we are within easy reach of all local amenities, the supermarket and motorway network. All the neighbours are really friendly and helpful, and there's a real sense of being part of a community here.